So this is the practice pilot. This software now allows you to view your WinOMS data in a one-click fashion. All of the data is automatically in the WinOMS once your front desk puts it in the patient's workspace, but this allows you to view the data in a one-click fashion in a visually appealing way. It's all in chart form. It runs all the reports for you. It'll just run on its own. You don't have to do any work to put this information in. It does it for you. So this is the home page here. So you can see all of the different subsects depending on what you're interested in looking at. We have collections, office performance, procedures, provider performance, your top referring offices, and then an overall summary dashboard. It shows the provider performance. So you can see we have our 7 doctors listed on the bottom. Again, each of them are color coordinated, so you know exactly who you're looking at. And we are looking at this shows September 1st, 2010 to August 31st, 2012, but we can change that to whatever we're looking for. So we want to see, I'm going to change the time period to 4 years, just so we can see over the past 4 years what all of our providers in the offices have been doing. You can see down here, we had a lot of providers that we did not have part of our practice until, 2011, 2012. This allows the providers to, compare themselves month over month as well as comparing themselves to the other providers in the office. If we go into our comparison tab, it just shows your providers in 2 different chart forms, whatever makes it more aesthetically pleasing for you. Makes it easier to understand. And then you can, again, manipulate the time, or if you don't want to look at dollars produced, if you would rather look at, we'll change it to patient count. So now we're looking at patient count. Let's change the time period to 1 year. So now we can see the patient count for each provider for the past year. If you go into Office, it shows the providers and each individual office. So if you were to choose, say you want to see where Dr. Huffman, oh no, that doesn't work that way. If you choose Dr. Huffman, it will change to show his dollars produced in each office down here at the bottom. So you can see which office he works in, which offices he does not work in. Go back home. Thank you for watching our demo of the Practice Pilot.